Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, update's probably not the right word, more so confirmation would be a more accurate term in terms of the levels that I've talked about in the past. And the first level to really kind of point out is just this level right down here at right around $1.30, which is being denoted by the green line right there. And you can see early on in the morning, the price was right around this area. But to give credit where credit's due, I talked about this acting and wanting it to see it act as support, and it did indeed act as support. Not only did it act as support, acted as a trampoline too, as it did, produce a nice bounce to the upside. Now that's what segues perfectly into the other point of confirmation, and that has to do with levels of resistance. So, again, for those of you that watched the video last week, pretty sure I talked about that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, very famous, area within the world of charts. And surprise, surprise, you can see that's right where the price was rejected from today. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the price can't break through that pink line or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling to get through there, because just kind of within the world of charts, and whether you want to call it a self-fulfilling prophecy or not, that 200 period tends to act as a resistance when the price is down below it. So that'll continue to be public enemy number one. I would definitely agree it was probably weakened up some today, but as far as levels that are still standing the ground, you still got to call the pink line there, the 200 period, an area of resistance, because the price did ultimately close below it. So pink line, 200 period, key level of support, resistance going into tomorrow, and then you still have these levels down here at around $1.30 and $1.20. But they're not even really being threatened right now as breaking. So definitely an interesting situation going into tomorrow. Nice start to the week. If you just look at it from this perspective, where you picture each of these as stair steps, the bulls are trying to build these higher stair steps, and higher stair steps over time lead to higher highs, aka levels of resistance being broken. So focus on building higher lows, which it's been doing a good job of, and then you can just sit back and let the chart take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.